this video is for educational purpose only. I am not your financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Please do your own research for any investment you make. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am here to share with you an amazing platform which is BitGet Exchange on my YouTube channel. So before starting the review, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon button for further upcoming notification and amazing videos on my YouTube channel. You can trade with 120 million users on BitGet. Let's have a market overview of BitGet Exchange. So here you can have a trade future and you can also earn on BitGet Exchange. So here is the BTC price, last price, and the change in the price. Here is the amount, and here you can check out 24-hour chains on the BTC, Ethereum, Solana, USDT. So here is the market overview, and here you can have a look on the chart, and here you can get the NFT details, and here is their stocks and their last prices listed, and here you can check out the amount. BTC is about 7.2 billion and Ethereum is about 6.09 billion and Sol USDT is 93.9 billion. So this was about their market review. Have a look on BitGet Exchange, and here you can get a copy trading of, here you can check out 34 or trading volume which is about 34.8 billion. So guys, here you can check out the market view of the popular BTC, Ethereum, Sol, which is $143.61 and USDC is about 1, and here is our BitGet which is about 3.85. So how you can sign up? You can sign up by using your phone or email. You can continue with the app and you can also download the app. So here, just to start up, you have to enter your phone number and email. So first, when you sign up, you have a welcome pack worth of 6,200 USDT. Guys, this is the prize pool reward for the new users. I will show you in later part of my video how you can sign up to BitGet Exchange. You can get sign up in very easy 2 steps. So here is our exchange. You can start your crypto journey here. So what's new in the BitGet? And here we have our journey. Over 140 fiat currencies supported on BitGet. You can trade for futures, spot, margin, and also for the board. You can earn, boost your crypto profits safely and easily. So sign up for now to get your BitGet wallet and to get your BitGet now. So here is safe and reliable. We are committed to safeguarding your assets and ensuring the security of your information. So guys, here is our properties and our characteristics about BitGet. It is protection fund. Over $647 million protection fund ensures the security of your assets. Proof of reserves. We guarantee at least a 1:1 reserve of our customer funds. Cold storage. We store most crypto assets in offline multi-signature wallets. So guys, it's a cold storage and it's multifunctional. You can join BitGet for now. You can trade anytime, anywhere. So here you can have a buy and sell. So you can buy and sell on BitGet, and here you have a look for the chart. So guys, here is our trade and here is our spot trading, and here you can analyze BTC USDT price, and here 24-hour volume, market cap. Here is the token category. Here you can analyze the chart of BTC USDT. Here is the buy and sell. Here you can check out, and you can, here you have to enter the amount. Here is the quantity, and here you can use the total USDT. So here is our trading volume, price in USDT, our quantity, and here is the total for spot margin. So here is our buy. Here you can also sell. You have to first sign up, then you can trade anywhere you want and anytime. So this was about their market overview. Let's have a more about the website. You can scan to download the BitGet app, and these are the frequently asked questions about BitGet. And here is La Liga, BitGet official crypto partner of La Liga in Eastern Sea and Latin region. So you have to sign up now. So here you can check out about BitGet products, buy crypto, or sport and legals. So guys, here you have to sign up. Just you click on sign up. So to getting sign up to the BitGet, you have to enter your mobile and email. Then if you have referral code, you can enter, and you have to agree to the user's privacy policy. Then you have to enter to next. You will create your BitGet account, and you can, if you have already created, you have to just log into its account. So guys, this was a short review about BitGet. Trade with 120 million users on BitGet. So here is about our institution, promotion and resources. You can get our health center, announcement center, rewards and referrals. So you can also submit your feedback on our website, and here our pro programs and VIP, and here you can also get the Fiat OTC. So our programs include affiliate boosters and BitGet builders. So I hope you have liked my video. Please comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.